Welcome to OSR Garage. Today we're going to take our first look at a 2023 Subaru Solterra. Today we're going to talk about the 2023 Subaru Solterra. The Solterra is the first electric vehicle from Subaru and is built on the same platform as the Toyota Bz4x. It is similar in size to the Subaru Forester. It looks more like a car than a traditional SUV, but has some rugged features. I would consider it more of a crossover instead of an SUV. It has 8.3 inches of ground clearance and 2 electric motors powering the standard all-wheel drive. Subaru estimates the Solterra to have about a 220-mile range, which is at the low end of the SUV market. It looks to compete directly with the Chevy Bolt EUV, the Ford Mach-E, the Nissan Ariya, and the Volkswagen ID.4. So under the hood, the Solterra does not have a front trunk. That area is consumed by the electric motor and the inverter on top of it. Subaru has not released its battery capacity figures as of yet, but the projected 220 miles of range will be able to charge from 0 to 80% in about an hour. The main advantage is Subaru's all-wheel drive system, X mode, which allows control of each individual wheel. In the interior, it has a denim-like cloth dashboard, some soft plastics, and a piano black center console. The main issue is the high floor, which makes it a tight opening when entering or exiting. However, it is spacious once inside and has plenty of headroom. In the driver's seat, the steering wheel and digital display seem to resemble a fighter jet. There is also a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, but it is not standard, and the lower trim models may be equipped with a 10-inch display. Both will come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Solterra comes with EyeSight, Subaru's driver safety and assistance, including adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. For storage, even without a front trunk, it offers plenty of space for the size of this SUV. Maximum cargo space is 27.7 cubic feet. The load floor is low to make it easy to load items, which seems to match the Volkswagen ID.4, but falls short of the Mustang Mach-E. You can also add roof rails if you need to store more traveling equipment. The tow hitch is also optional, and there aren't any towing figures as of yet. The Subaru Solterra plans to be available in mid-2022 in the price range of the low 40,000s. Alright, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed looking at this Subaru Solterra. I'll have some more videos on some upcoming EVs, along with hopefully some 2022 walkarounds from a dealership that I am working with. So other than that, that's all I've got for you guys. And just remember, if you like this content and you want to see more of it, click subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your bell notification. And I will see you later.